the worst thing that could ever happen to a new trader is make a lot of money. It's the worst thing that can happen because your future is going to haunt you. It's going to be a terrible path that you're going to be on. So anybody that's come to me over time has generally come to me to be their mentor, to focus on the psychology of what us traders go through. Anybody could teach you how to read a chart or how to use the charts. And there's a million different ways to trade off of charts. There's a million different indicators that you can use. So everyone kind of has their own system. Systems are great. Own the system, stick with the system, never argue with your system. But the system means nothing if you're not in control of your emotions. Understanding your emotions is the most powerful tool a trader has. It's not you have this good tip, you have this good chart pattern, you have this great sector. It's your emotions. You can have a great sector and lose money. You can have a crypto bull run or an MJ bull run or tech sector bull run, oil bull run, and lose money because you're completely out of whack with your emotions. It's that hope, fear, greed, regret. It's that ability to reflect on all the experiences you're going through. It's to write it down. It's to talk to a mentor. It's to talk to another trader about it. Because when you encounter these scenarios, again, you will have more experience. You understand how you feel. You understand how to tackle it. The main issue I see from anybody I've ever met is their emotions. They made a lot of money. They blew it. That's the biggest thing. Once you blow all the big money you made, you got so much regret to deal with. It's almost insurmountable to recover. You got to catch another big bull run, another big bull market and something. Most people fizzle out before then. That's why they say 90% of traders fail. But the 10% that succeed is they spent the time in the market. They hung in there. They dedicated their time. But out of all the traders that dedicate their time, that spend the time in the market, really learn, reflect, and understand the psychology of trading, their own psychology plus chart psychology. How many of those, if we put those on a scale, how many of those fail? It's not 90%. 90% of those don't fail. We fail time to time. We might fail for a trade. We might fail for a week. We might fail for a quarter. But over time, because we're in it for the long run, we understand it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. We understand our system is not going to be applicable in every market and will adapt. We will be successful. This is what new traders struggle with. They don't understand this. And you can't learn it just by somebody telling you it. You can't learn it by reading Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas or The Disciplined Trader. You will learn, okay, I see what these people are saying. I've done this before. I've spoken to hundreds of traders, coached them over and over, but they need to go through the experience themselves. When I'm preaching, staying 40 to 60, protecting your higher low, that's all cool, but GameStop is running to 380. I need to be all in here. I need to make all that money, right? And then later on, after that big blow up and you go through that huge psychological battle and you lose it all, now you understand the marathon versus sprint. Now you understand the psychology of protecting your higher low. Everything changes. You might have been listening to me. It sounded great at the time, but you need to go through that experience. You might get this information from other people, but until you learn it yourself, by experience it yourself, it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard. And unfortunately, your trading journey is going to have a lot of hard times, but it's going to teach you a lot about yourself. And it's going to teach you if you have the skin and the stones to do this for the long time. Everybody could do it in 2020 off of the bottom. Everybody can do it when stocks only go up. Everybody can do it. What happens when we go through a 3-month correction, a 3-month cycle that is just chopped down? Can everybody do it now? It doesn't mean you needed to be profitable in this past 3 months, but it means you needed to protect yourself, protect your capital, protect your mindset, and prepare yourself for when that market environment comes back into your wheelhouse and you're comfortable with it, that you're ready back to participate in it. First, you quit, you gave up because things got too hard.